Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of a Crescent 12-inch joiner. This particular joiner does have a total length of 83 inches, including the gap. Those tables are 40.5 inches individually. It does have a 4-knife cutter head. It's powered by a direct drive 3600 RPM 4 horsepower motor. You do have an extra set of brand new knives with this machine. The tables are nice and flat. Your infeed is in really good condition considering the age of this machine. The outfeed table is about the same as the infeed up to here. There is like some light pitting right around here. It looks like the table's had some pitting and it was buffed out at some time. It doesn't really affect how it works, but it is in the cast. Just thought we'd let you know that up front. Brand new WEG starter. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.